Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day, dear students. This is a video lecture for ELC 151, and the topic for this video lecture is Thesis Statement. Now, let's get started. What you can see on the screen now is a diagram of a text, an academic text. Usually, a text consists of three things. Number one, the introduction. Number two is the body paragraph. And lastly would be the conclusion. And for the purpose of this video, we will be focusing on the introduction. So in the introduction, there is one specific thing that you must know as a reader. It helps you a lot, and it is called thesis statement. Let's see some example of thesis statement. So consider this as an introductory paragraph. So which one is the thesis statement? The thesis statement is the one in yellow. Let's read it together. However, it is believed that tobacco should be outlawed because it endangers health, pollutes the environment, and drains valuable energy. So, that is one example of thesis statement. Let's take a look at the second example. Here you see a paragraph. You can see words like Rome, words like civilization, and also tourists. So, which one is the thesis statement? Yes, the yellow one. It says many tourists visit Rome because of its food, culture, and architecture. So, boys and girls, those are what we call thesis statement. Now, let's see some explanation, definition, and characteristics of thesis statement. So, a thesis statement is like a roadmap for readers. What is it? It is a sentence that shows or guide the readers. And you can often find the thesis statement at the end of the introductory paragraph. Now, let's take a look at this example. Why I say thesis statement is like a guide for the readers. This is because when you read the thesis statement, you can see that the essay, the text, will be talking about the reason why many tourists visit Rome. How many reasons are there? 3. Food, culture, and architecture. So basically, when you read the thesis statement, you will get the main idea of the entire text. And it also helps you to find specific information. Let's say you would like to read about the food in Rome. So you will straightly go to the first body paragraph. If you would like to read about the culture in Rome, you will go to the second body paragraph. And if you would like to read architecture in Rome, you will go to the third body paragraph. So this is like a map to the readers. When you read the thesis statement, it helps you to get the main idea and also it guides you. Alright, let's take a look at the first example just now. So, however, it is believed that tobacco should be outlawed because it endangers health, pollutes the environment, and drains valuable energy. You see, just like the thesis statement on Rome, this thesis statement also gives the main idea of the entire essay. What is the main idea? It talks about tobacco and why it should be outlawed. How many reasons are there? 3. Endangers health, pollutes the environment, and drains valuable energy. And just like the previous example, this will go to the first body paragraph These will go to the second body paragraph, and these will go to the third body paragraph. So if you would like to know more, if you would like to find the explanation or even the example, you would know where to look at. Alright, so basically that is what we call thesis statement. Now, let's see some example in a real text. So, here, let's just say you are reading this text. The text is called Graduate Unemployment in Malaysia. So, as we scroll down, you can see there is only title. There's no graphical aids like picture, graph, and so on. There's no bold or underlined words. So, therefore, how are you going to determine what is the main idea? Try to find the thesis statement. So based on my explanation, where can you find the thesis statement? At the end of the introductory paragraph. Now, is this the thesis statement? Let's read. In the light of this, three factors arise as the primary reason for this problem, namely lack of skill, differences between higher institution focus and market's needs, and lack of experience. By reading the thesis statement, we would understand that this whole essay will be talking about factors of this problem. What will be the problem? Graduate unemployment in Malaysia. So factors for graduate unemployment in Malaysia, how many factors are there? 3. Number 1, number 2, and number 3 over there. So basically, when you find the thesis statement, when you read the thesis statement, you would understand, oh, this text, this essay will be talking about this. So let's just say you would like to read more about lack of skill. You will go to the first body paragraph. You would like to read about differences between higher institution focus and market's needs. You go to the second body paragraph. And if you would like to read about lack of experience, you go to the third body paragraph. So, there you have it, boys and girls. That is what we call thesis statement. Thank you.